Food trucks. Written by Anthony Curran. Food trucks. Food trucks. Food trucks are trucks where people make and sell food. You read. Each food truck has a kitchen inside. You read. This food truck sells fish and chips. This food truck sells barbecue. You read. This food truck sells chicken. This food truck sells pizza. You read. This food truck sells Indian food. This food truck sells Japanese food. You read. This food truck sells hot dogs. This food truck sells grilled cheese sandwiches. You read. This food truck sells seafood. This food truck sells tacos. You read. This food truck sells ribs. This food truck sells hamburgers. You read. Food trucks go wherever there are crowds of people. You read. The food can taste really good. You read.